In this video, I will give you a brief overview of the agenda function of Empower. To add an agenda to your presentation, simply click on the Agenda button in the Empower ribbon. A new window, the Agenda Editor, opens. First, you can select the agenda template at the top if multiple agenda templates are available. Agenda templates can differ in design and available elements. For example, there are agendas that display chapters, but also agendas where you can display the duration for different speakers in a presentation. Note that the amount and types of available agenda templates may vary, depending on what was set in your company. Once I have selected the agenda template, I can enter a title for the agenda here. If this field is not available, the selected agenda template is designed so that no title can be entered. This means that the agenda title is always the same. In this area, you can now enter the individual chapters. By clicking on this button, chapters can be indented and made into subchapters. You can also work with the arrow keys on your keyboard to indent chapters. The order of the chapters can be edited using the arrow buttons. Clicking on the X deletes the selected chapter. In the advanced settings, you can specify numerous other settings, such as whether an agenda overview slide and/or chapter divider slides should be inserted. To insert the agenda into your presentation, simply click on the Create Agenda button. All subsequent changes should be made through the agenda editor. This ensures that all slides associated with the agenda are always up to date. If you need further information on the agenda feature in Empower, you can find it in this separate video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.